which platform should you run your ads on. There's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Google, and many more. What you have to think about is when you're starting with a new ad account, and it doesn't matter what platform you're in, you have to collect data, or the platform has to collect data. It has to find out who's the person who will purchase your product or service or become a lead. And it takes some data and it takes some spend, so you have to spend money for the platform to collect all this data. So if you're starting on several platforms, then you have to be ready to spend to collect this data on several platforms. So if you're on a low budget, then it would be better to just start on one platform and spend the money on collecting that data, get it to work really well, and then you can expand out to other platforms. Then you'll probably also be making sales and having more money to spend. So I recommend that you just start with one platform at first and get that to work really well first.